What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the first looks or the CAD renders for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 are out, and in this video we'll be mentioning Z Fold 4 as the Fold 4 only. Now the Fold 4 is indeed the Samsung's latest flagship smartphone foldable offering from the Samsung, and the phone is also being lighter this time than the predecessor. It's almost as comparable to the iPhone 12 13 Pro Max with the case on that phone. And not only that, the camera design module has also been changed, and this time it's more similar towards the Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup. Now talking about the S Pen support, then the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will not be having a S Pen built into the phone like the S22 Ultra or the earlier Note generations of the Samsung, but the S Pen will be sold separately. Now if we talk about the display, then this time the display will be not that much fragile than the last year, and the crease will also be decrease of the smartphone. Now talking about the under display camera, then Gen 2 under display camera will be present in this smartphone, and not only that, the dimensions of this phone are also being revealed. Now it will indeed be a stereo speaker setup, and it will be having a dual SIM micro tray, and not only that, this phone will be this time might be a IP67 certified too. Now taking the water resistance seriously, Samsung do take its water resistance seriously, so we might also see a new water resistance tag on this IP certification. Now if you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.